हेलो, गुड मॉर्निंग। दिस इज़ भूपेंद्र सिंह फ्रॉम दी एफएनएफ। सो आज हम बात करेंगे मंचिंग अ सिम्टम ऑफ क्रेविंग। सो पहले हम समझेंगे कि मंचिंग होती क्या है। व्हाट इज़ मंचिंग? सो मंचिंग इज़ समथिंग व्हाट यू ईट इन बिटवीन मील्स, और when you had your meal and you still feel that I want to eat more, maybe after an hour or maybe after half an hour, even though वो हाई क्वांटिटी में नहीं होगा, भले वो छोटा सा होगा, maybe just the taste. So maybe like sugar, or maybe something salted, chips, or anything, whichever you feel that you want to crave or you want to eat for, but not really have it like a meal stuff, but just to have that taste and feel satisfied. So ये munching है. Okay, इसमें there are various kind of foods what we would want or we would eat. So इसमें generally ये होता है कि it would not be really the kind of food, home food what we eat that you would really crave for, but probably something wherein it is more of packet food, or maybe cold drinks, chai, coffee, or any sugar stuff or chocolates. So this is what you really want to eat, and just maybe have a munch and just enjoy for that particular moment. So what is the reason behind this, why this happens? So it can be defined into one, because munching happens when you are dissatisfied with eating. So dissatisfied with eating का मतलब ये है कि आपने उतना न्यूट्रिशन नहीं दिया है बॉडी को जितना बॉडी को चाहिए था, और खाना खाने के बाद फिर भी यू फील लिटिल इनकम्प्लीट. सो उसके लिए आप ट्राई करते हो कि मैं किसी तरह और कुछ खा लूँ. Okay, so that is one, because you are not having the proper meals regularly throughout the day, and the brain is not getting satisfied, and the signal towards the stomach to metabolize or hold, that is the way the brain is confused and the stomach reactions are happening, wherein if you are not having good food, the body will hold on to that particular food, or if it is feeling that it does not have enough of food, then it will make you crave for eating more. Okay, then the other reason is also crash eating. So crash dieting, you can say fad dieting, जहाँ पे हम सैलेड ज़्यादा खाते हैं, फाइबर ज़्यादा खाते हैं, न्यूट्रिशनल वैल्यू बहुत रिड्यूस हो जाती है, जहाँ पे प्रोटीन नहीं है, फैट्स नहीं है, गुड कार्ब्स नहीं है. तो इस दौरान आप बहुत ज़्यादा फाइबर खा रहे हो, और फिर इसमें भी आपको ऐसे लग रहा है कि योर बॉडी इज़ नॉट डिससैटिस्फाइड. That is where you end up munching on maybe a chip, or maybe the entire packet of chips, or maybe chocolates, and that is how you want to keep on adding and eating more. Then there is also lack of quality food. So lack of quality food का definition होगा good amount of carbs, good amount of protein, good amount of fats जो हम खा रहे हैं, वो is that adequate enough for the body? Okay, that is where it also comes in. Then there is lack of sleep. So previously on numerous occasions I have explained why sleep is so important. So इसमें भी munching का भी reason है, when you are not getting enough sleep, so you sleeping for less hours, and then you suddenly feel sleep deprived, or maybe the number of hours what you have slept is very less. So the body wants to stay awake now and has to keep on going throughout the daily course what you're going to do for those particular hours, because you're going to be very active. So it needs food, right? Or it needs to keep itself diverted, or keep the mind diverted towards not falling asleep. So वो munch करता है. So when your organs are into function and you're going to munch and you're going to eat, obviously you are not going to feel sleepy, because you're technically diverting your mind from going to sleep. You're trying to put yourself under certain thing, a process wherein वो diversion से आपको लगेगा कि हाँ I am staying awake now. So that is one reason also why you feel munching through, or you munch during the day. Then it is also to do with the emotional state of mind. The emotional state of mind, when I come in, is to do wherein there is some missing element or missing person, or you feeling a particular situation, or in the current scenario wherein you feel like a fish out of water. So you want to munch because you want to keep yourself occupied. So somewhere again over here, you are trying to keep yourself occupied, diverted by munching, by eating. मील तो हो गई है, अब इन बिटवीन अगर मुझे मेरा मन भटकाना है और डाइवर्ट करना है तो मैं क्या करूँ? या तो मैं टीवी देखूँगा या मोबाइल पे जाऊँगा, आई विल ट्राई एंड डू सम वर्क, और द बेस्ट way to diversion is also eat, munch. Okay, so we keep on munching and you will end up eating, or you will end up munching maybe, from a small nibble to maybe an hour, because you're trying to divert and you're just munching. And it is also to do with probably the food what you are using to eat can also be a relation to where you are trying to link an emotion or a state of mind or a situation or a person also whom you are missing. So that is also you need to dig into and understand what is happening with that particular munching. Why are you always craving for that chocolate? Why are you always craving for that particular chips? Why am I eating so much of popcorn? So popcorn reminds me of a very beautiful small story about someone who, it's about a lady. She used to always munch more on popcorns. So she always wanted to do munching on popcorns. And why was that? Because for her, popcorn was a state of mind wherein she was going with her then boyfriend to a theater and watching movie. So that was her time or her space wherein she was really enjoying the movie with a reason of being with him. And at the same time, the effort of the boyfriend going and getting the popcorn every time as a ritual before the movie starts, and as in before the interval, they used to have that entire tub of the popcorn. So that was the state of mind what she was living with, even though the they had a breakup and they had to move on. Still, the state of mind whenever she had that missing element, and the most beautiful part was that she had that missing element every time after the lunch, because that was the time 90 out of 100 times they used to go for that particular movie. So every time after lunch she wanted to munch on popcorns, because somewhere, even though they had moved on, still the missing element was there, and that connect was the popcorn for her, whom she really loved and whom she even loved at that particular moment. So we did work around emotionally by doing the food emotion therapy and getting that emotion out, and somewhere explaining and getting her out of that phase, and she really, wherein mentally and emotionally she does move on. So this is one example why munching also happens. It's very interesting because we do relate food to a particular emotion or to a particular person. So that is one reason, or you can term it emotional eating. Then the next one is tea drinking. As I covered few weeks back, tea drinking is also like a craving, because you end up having a tea and kill your particular eating pattern. Okay, so I would also term tea as munching, because all you need is maybe 2 sips. You don't really need maybe a jar of the entire tea, लेकिन आपको सिर्फ वो 2 प्याली चाहिए या 2 सिप चाहिए. So that is where it is also a munching kind of a thing, and same with coffee. So now we'll understand how do we break this munching. Okay, so there are only two way to it. That is, 1, you have proper meal, and 2, you fool your body. So what is proper meals? Proper meals is what I always keep on saying. Understand that how much you need to eat, plan your schedule, have that particular meal, how much or the portion what your body really wants, so you eat that much. Okay, so let's say that if you're going to do a 5 meal plan, so you eat at that point of time, 8, 11, 2, 5, 8. So it's like 8 a.m, 11 a.m, 2 p.m, 5 p.m and 8 p.m. So I keep these 5 meals and I eat, and in between I do not eat, I do not munch. So it's again a 4-day theory wherein you really have to play with your mind, and आप literally अपने mind को fool करते हो. अब हम वो fooling कैसे करें? वो fooling का तरीका सिंपल है. जब आपको craving आ रही है in between meals, या आपको लग रहा है कि आप कुछ खाना चाहते हो, munch करना चाहते हो, आप पानी पी लो. This way you will fool your body, fool your brain, because when something goes in the stomach, the body tries to metabolize it, and by the time it realizes, you always manipulated 15 to 30 minutes of that particular phase, wherein the body realizes, okay, it is not food and it is water, or maybe it is something else. So this way you can fool the body. This way you will be able to by default increase your water intake. Okay, and second thing is you can have black tea, black coffee, green tea. Why this is like a cooling technique because it comes with no calories. If you're not going to add any sugar, it's just going to be a black tea, black coffee या green tea. आप calorie count नहीं ले रहे हो उसका. Okay, so again in this the body goes into that phase जहाँ पे you're fooling it. उसको लगेगा कुछ आया है, मेटाबोलाइज करने की कोशिश करेगा, थोड़े टाइम में रियलाइज करेगा oh it was not food. So you've already crossed 30-45 minutes. So you can use these particular things just to fool the body and make sure that you are breaking that thing of munching what you always ask for. Okay, this way you will be able to, if you do this for 4 days, yes, this way you will be able to break the chain of taking that feeling of मुझे कुछ munch करना है. Yes, it's a 4-day theory. It's just you have to concentrate and focus and tell yourself, okay, I'm going to do this. This is the way I'm going to fool my body. Okay, and not nibble on anything, not munch on anything. That is the most beautiful part of our brain, because it is the most intelligent thing what you have in your body, which is a very small in size, but however it functions the entire, it takes care of the entire body for you. That is the most beautiful element of our human body, and all we need to do is just follow, go with the flow, understand it. At times maybe play around with the brain, and जिसको मैं सिंपल वर्जन बोलता हूँ, फूल योर सेल्फ. सो अगर आप ये करते हो, मैनिपुलेशन ऐसे लाते हो, you will do wonders. Again, in the next 4 to 7 days, by we do the next session on Sunday, you will be off munching completely. I can assure you that. So this would be it for today. I hope you enjoyed the topic, munching, a symptom of craving, and I would love if you would just work on this over a period of next 4 to 7 days, and also would love to hear feedbacks from you, and this way I would be able to understand, and if you need any help, I would love to do that. And this also keeps me motivated by you following me, you liking my work, and this keeps me going, because coming up with new topics every week and making sure that you get the best in whatever knowledge I have, and I share it with you. And it is incorporation is the most important thing. That would be the biggest satisfaction for me. So see you next Sunday, and do like and follow my FB page and my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.